So what are we doing?
We hitched a ride with the City of Chicago utility work today.
And we had a plane.
That sounds good.
There's the lions. Roar.
We're heading to Chicago, Illinois. We unfortunately could not get a spot at Soldier Field to park the rig. They're completely sold out, apparently, for quite some time. Well, that's what the person told me.
Right.
We don't know. But anyway, we found a RV spot kind of north of Chicago that we're gonna stay there, disconnect, and we can't take the rig to tailgate in Chicago, which, to be perfectly honest, I kind of anticipated this because it's just downtown. There's really not a lot of parking down there. And then we're going to just take Natasha here, and we're going to take her down to tailgate.
Meet your friend.
And my friend Ross, who you guys are going to meet. And I think a buddy or a client of his is going to join us. So we're going to have some fun. Yeah, did I not tell you this?
You did not.
See, I forget to tell her all these pertinent details.
Most things, actually. Everything.
Well,
I'm always last to the invitation.
well, not
That's
an
okay.
invitation, just sometimes I forget to tell the details.
My bad.
As they happen.
Information.
Okay. And anyway, we are then from there going to be heading up to Green Bay to Lambeau Field, where my team and where I call Mecca for football. If you've never been, you got to make it on your bucket list because it is
So cool.
where football began. Anyway, that's kind of the agenda. We're going to be boondocking tonight at a Boondockers Welcome location. So we'll probably show you that once we get there. And I'm sorry we're recording on our dash cam here, but as you can see, we're driving and
Short on time.
and very short on time. In fact, I picked up a new contract this week, so I've been extremely busy and haven't been able to get anything done. There it is!
2 minutes, I'll be right out.
All right, everybody. Today is the first day
Of the rest of our lives.
Yeah, you could say that. We are starting our very first tailgate at a Bear game at Soldier Field in Chicago. The drawback is
The Bears.
there's nowhere for us to put the RV. And all right, now back to our regularly scheduled recording. All these distractions.
Right.
Joe, focus.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Dog, cat, people,
People.
tree, birds.
Lots of things. Focus.
Okay.
So what's the big plan today?
Drink,
Okay.
football.
Yeah.
That's it.
And well, we got a tailgate.
Well, tailgate, but that's what drinking and football.
But because of the fact we can't take the RV in there, we're at a handicap, which means we don't have a grill, and I don't have a portable grill.
Because we
But-
have an RV.
We are going to do the best that we can. And let's introduce you to one of the cast of characters that's joining us today. That is Ross.
Hello.
Hey Ross, say hello to all.
Hello, all.
Hi, how are you?
So we'll do all the pleasantries.
You've gotten taller.
You think?
Did they do some special things down in Mexico that got you a little
I can't
taller?
tell you that.
Yeah?
I can't tell you.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Good.
Good.
Yeah, things are going well.
Hi, buddy.
Just hydrating on the way down.
He's laughing his ass off because I was wondering what you were doing. Yeah, it was all stuck to the bridge and I had to pull it out. Oh, that was all wrong.
Let them come, because then I can get them. Oh. Wait, hold it.
Throw punch.
Got them. Ooh, they're good at hot.
They're so good.
Yeah, we may
They're
need to put
sweet.
those in the cooler.
It's kind of, yeah, it kind of reminds me of like a Hostess thing.
Yeah,
Like back in the day, right?
exactly.
Where I'm gonna have one of these.
I'll have another one.
You want to try one?
Hey Ross.
I don't know if we're gonna get the view, but there I am.
You get it. Cheers.
Cheers. Behind us is Lake Michigan. We're walking up to Soldier Field. Right now we're at McCormick Place. Ross lost the bet, said it was less than a mile, and I said no, it's 1.7 miles
So now
So-
he's going to strip for us.
for where we had to park or tailgate. So now Ross has to watch the whole game without a shirt on.
Like this, Ross. Yes.
All right, here we go.
Hi. Hi.
So what are we doing?
We hitched a ride with the City of Chicago Utility Works on this trail. Yes, I had to pay a bunch of money, but it's better than walking 2 miles in this heat. They're like, hey!
Okay, it was worth the $50.
put my big ass in the back on the axle. The lions, honey.
There's the lions. Roar. The roar, the lions. The roar.
Go right by your office, Rob. Put that up for Joe while I drive.
I love your cheese. What do you do?
Jump on them.
Last one. What's that?
Hey. Thank you.